Hello everyone, welcome to the part 2 of this video, and now let's start part 2 of this sweet video, that is hashtag journey to my birthplace from Howrah to the sweet place Balurghat. So without wasting much time, let's start part 2 and do not skip any moments, it's going to be very beautiful. LOCO pilot along with the LOCO will be changed here, and they are the LOCO pilot who came till Azimganj, and this is the WAP4, and this will get now detached. এটা আলাদা হয়ে যাবে আর ডিজেল লোকোমোটিভ আমাদের বালুরঘাট পর্যন্ত নিয়ে যাবে। এরপর ইলেকট্রিফাইড লাইন নেই, and Azimganj is going to be a very developing station very soon, and I guess Darjeeling was proposed by this route once, and it would be decrease the distance. Let's see if any time it could happen or not. Now let's see the detachment. I think WDP4 locomotive will be taking the charge from here. This locomotive can be changed in Malda also. Malda teo eta change kora jeto, but as in Malda it's very much crowded station, so they are changing the locomotive here only because Malda is very crowded and it's difficult to change the locomotive at that crowdy. So they are changing the locomotive here, as I have shown to you. WDP4D এখন আমাদের আমার জন্মস্থান বালুরঘাট পর্যন্ত এই লোকোমোটিভ নিয়ে যাবে। আগে তো বালুরঘাটে WDP4D কি অ্যালকো লোকোমোটিভ সব আসতো, কিন্তু এবার EMD লোকোমোটিভ, আর আশা করি খুব জলদি ইলেকট্রিক লোকোমোটিভও ওখানে যাবে। এখনও ডিপার্চারে উই হ্যাভ মোর 12 minutes ফর ডিপার্চার। we have arrived now. New Farakka.
May I have your attention, please? Train number.
बाप रे मेरे को पता ही नहीं था माइक जानता भी ना माइक एखाने New Farakka Junction. We have arrived New Farakka Junction and we have 2 minutes halt here, but we will be stopping now here 13 minutes or 14 minutes because train has arrived before time. And Farakka আসলে আমার এক বন্ধুর কথা মনে পড়ে ওর সাথে কন্ট্যাক্ট তো আছে after my very good friend after I miss him and I have not met him since 2-3 years and I hope that I will meet him very soon. And after, if you are seeing this video, do press the like button and do share this video among your friends and family. About Farakka, the Farakka is famous for its thermal plant, that is coal thermal plant, and which gets supply from the Padma river or the barrage. So it's not water hydraulic, but it's thermal from coal. It's Farakka is famous for that. It generates very much high amount of electricity for Bengal and for other states as well from coal. It's a very important, and also the barrage is also important for it for water supply. The Bhagirathi river originates from this barrage only. That's some significance of Farakka barrage. And you can also see a very beautiful garden beside the station. We will depart very soon now, just 8 minutes to depart, and we will be crossing Farakka barrage in daytime. First time I am going to shoot. Arrive in Malda now. I have not vlogged in Malda as I was waiting for my food which I have ordered on IRCTC e-catering. Meet you after the lunch. Crossing Mahananda river in Malda town. It's a big river in Malda. In Siliguri it's small, but in Malda it's quite big. These are the mango trees of Malda, which are very famous, the world famous mango trees. The world famous mango are being exported from these trees. Malda's mango are very famous, world famous. These are all the trees where these mango are produced.
And the most famous category of mango is Langra. Langra arm of Malda is very famous.
So now we will be arriving Eklaki Junction, from where the main line, that is the NGB main line, and the Balurghat line separates. I am on this side, means which side I will go. From that side I cannot show the separation. The cause behind this is the attendant is sleeping there. So now we are approaching Eklaki Junction, from where the Balurghat line separates. There was no official stop at Eklaki Junction, but as there is a line change and track change, they gave a stop. So let's continue. Hashtag journey to birthplace with 13063 Howrah Balurghat Express. Overall rating from punctuality, it's 10 out of 10 because it got slack time. Cleanliness is 8 out of 10. Coach maintenance and all, I will give almost 5 out of 10 or near into that. ডিপার্টিং ফ্রম বুনিয়াদপুর। বুনিয়াদপুরে এত কম দাঁড়ালো যে কিছু নেমে বলার সুযোগ পেলাম না। সো বুনিয়াদপুর ইজ আ স্মল টাউন হুইচ ইজ লোকেটেড নিয়ার কালিয়াগঞ্জ অ্যান্ড রায়গঞ্জ। অ্যান্ড রায়গঞ্জ ইজ ফেমাস ফর ইজ তুলাইপাঞ্জি চাল। তুলাইপাঞ্জি চালের জন্য হচ্ছে রায়গঞ্জ ফেমাস। আর কালিয়াগঞ্জ ফেমাস হচ্ছে তার বয়রা কালী মন্দিরের জন্য। বয়রা কালী মানে যে কালী মন্দির, যে কালী শুনতে পায় না আর খুব জাগ্রত। এটাই কিছু বুনিয়াদপুরের ব্যাপারে বললাম। এবার আসো গঙ্গারামপুর। এগুলো হচ্ছে আমরা ফাইনালি দক্ষিণ দিনাজপুর। উই আর ফাইনালি ইন দক্ষিণ দিনাজপুর। দ্যাট ইজ মাই বার্থ ডিস্ট্রিক্ট অ্যান্ড ফাইনালি ভেরি সুন আই উইল বি মাই বার্থ প্লেস। and just see the beauty. It's naturally beauty place. We had departed from Bunyadpur and just see the beauty. Left Bunyadpur, now we'll be entering Gangarampur very soon. Punarbhava River. Has its own beauty. At Gangarampur, really, what a beauty showing in. Gangarampur is generally special for its tat sari, tater kaj you can say, and Purnabhava river you saw. Bangar is also a historical place, and Gangarampur is also connected to me hereditary as my maternal family, means my mother's side's family had 4 brick factory, 3 to 4 brick factory here, and huge brick factory in Gangarampur. I have seen it with my own eyes in my childhood. So Gangarampur has a different connection also apart from Balurghat. So now we will depart from Gangarampur, very calm and quiet station. Now departing from Gangarampur. Crossing Bolla, which is very জাগ্রত প্লেস, মা বল্লার জায়গা। এটা বল্লা পূজার ব্যাপারে আপনারা নিশ্চয়ই শুনেছেন। এটা হচ্ছে বল্লা, বালুরঘাটের বল্লা, যেটা রাজপূর্ণিমার পরে। We will be given platform on the right side, but I will show the arrival from the left side because I have memories of on the left side. That's why I have lots of memories with this station, with this everything. My city of joy, Balurghat. These were all the places where I used to spot trains in my childhood. We are arriving Balurghat. Gold link standing beside. this is Go Link. I'll be traveling in this train also. You have to stay tuned for that. You have to stay tuned with me for that. So now I am at my hotel, directly at Hotel Serena, and I am ending the vlog here. I am very tired now. We'll just freshen up. And the Balurghat, that blog of my birthplace, that is Balurghat blog, I will make a separate video on it. If you have liked this journey video, do press the like button and subscribe my channel. Hope you like this video in 2 parts, that is hashtag journey to my birthplace, and I am currently in Hotel Serena. So meet you in the next part of this Balurghat series.